Hello, sir. I hope you're doing good. I just got home from work. It's 11 p.m. right now, so I'm going to start my presentation now. Today, I'm going to talk about business information system at Marriott International and how this system helped Marriott improve operational efficiency, customer service, and decision making. I will also discuss some challenges Marriott faces, especially in the Australian hospitality industry, and give some recommendations for improvement. Marriott is a very large hotel company, so having accurate and connected information is very important. First, let's look at the size of Marriott. At the end of 2025, Marriott had more than 9,800 properties, almost 1.78 million rooms across 145 countries and territories. It also had around 271 million Marriott Bonvoy members. Because Marriott is so large, it needs information systems to connect its hotels, employees, customers, and different digital platforms. In Australia, hotels also need to consider issues such as cost, privacy regulation, and customer service when introducing new technology. The first important system is the Transaction Processing System, or TPS. The system handles everyday hotel activities such as searching for rooms, making bookings, payments, check-in, check-out, and updating room status. Marriott uses such as distribution platform in the Opera property management system. The Marriott Bonvoy app also provides services such as mobile check-in, mobile key, hotel chat, and room service ordering. For example, when a customer books a room, the system updates the room availability. When the customer checks out, the payment and room information are updated. This helps departments such as reception, housekeeping, and finance with the same information. However, technology should not completely replace employees. Staffs are still needed for identity checks, problems, and situations where customers need personal help. The second system of Customer Relationship Management System, or CRM. Marriott Bonvoy is an important example of this. It connects customers' information such as membership, booking history, loyalty points, and service requests. This allows Marriott to understand returning customers, provide. Sorry, sir, my bad. Preference and use this information to provide better service. However, having customer information does not completely mean customers will be satisfied. Research mentioned in my report found that common complaints in the Australian hotel includes facilities, cleanliness, maintenance, and noise. So Marriott needs to use customer information to actually improve the service rather than just collecting data. The main idea is that technology should support good customer service, not replace it. The third area is Management Information System and Decision Support System, or MIS or DSS. These systems help managers make better decisions. They can provide information about things such as occupancy, bookings, cancellation, revenue, and demand. Managers can then use this information to make decisions about pricing, staffing, promotion, and resources. Therefore, Marriott should combine search data with actual bookings, local events, and the experience of hotel management. This can help Marriott make more accurate decisions. Although information system provides many benefits, Marriott also faces some challenges. The first challenge is technology. Marriott has many systems that need to work together. If systems are not properly integrated, it can cause incorrect information or service problems. These are also risks related to cybersecurity, privacy, data loss, and system disruption. The second challenge is employees. When new technology is introduced, employees need proper training. Some employees may also find it difficult to adapt to new systems. Therefore, Marriott should provide practical training, workshops, support rather than only giving employees online or email instructions. Benefits and performance. When all the systems work together, Marriott can improve its overall performance. The TPS accurate transaction information, the CRM customer information, and MIS and DSS provide information for management decision. Together, this system can help Marriott achieve faster transaction, better communication between departments, better customer service, and improved forecasting. Marriott should also measure whether the technology is also actually helping. For example, it can measure processing time errors, customer response time, customer satisfactions, and employee workload. Technology is also successful if it creates real improvements for both customer and employees. Recommendation and conclusion at the end. Finally, I have 5 main recommendations for Marriott. First, Marriott should better integrate its reservation, loyalty, and decision-making systems. Second, it should introduce major technology changes step by step rather than changing everything at once. Third, Marriott should strengthen privacy and cybersecurity. Fourth, employees should receive practical digital training and workshop. And finally, Marriott should continue to keep employees involved in the situation that require judgment, empathy, and personal care. In conclusion, business information systems are very important for Marriott because they help manage daily operation, understand customers, and support management decisions. However, the best approach is not to completely replace people with technology. I believe Marriott should use a hybrid approach where technology handles standard tasks while employees focus on customer relationships, problem solving, and personal care. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, have a good night. Sorry. It's already 11 p.m. So.